guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just came back from school and decided to make something very quick, very simple. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, this is my boiled eggs, boiled sweet potato. We got some cucumber, carrots, cabbage, some tomatoes. Then we got some lettuces and other greens. And yeah, so. So basically, I'm not sure if I told you guys this before, but after every one of my videos, after I'm done eating, I usually like to wash my food down with some nice good tea. So right here we have some mint leaves, some lemon, some Lipton black tea. We have boiling water in here, then we got my cup. So let's begin. Okay, so now this is the final product. This is the meat I cooked. Then this is the sweet potato that I made. The boiled eggs. Then we got the salsa and the salad. And then we have my good tea right here.